with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
What a way to make a dent in our rain deficit, huh? We saw some really impressive totals ranging from 2 inches in Cumberland to almost 8 inches in the Providence, North Providence area. In Providence right now, we have 63 degrees. We still have some rain coming down. Our dew point is still in the 60s, so it still has that uncomfortable bit of a muggy feel to it out there. And that's a pretty common thread that we're finding across southern New England this check-in. We are in the 60s as we head into our overnight time frame. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. And those dew points are there as well. So again, with dew points in the 60s, we do find ourselves in an uncomfortable place. So here's what's going on. We've got this front that is essentially stalled across southern New England, and now it takes on the facility, acting as a conveyor belt for a ton of moisture that's going to be coming through southern New England. So we're not done with this rain yet. In fact, overnight tonight, we're likely going to see a big push as round 2 works its way in. And round 2 of really heavy rain. It's also right back here, beginning to enter into western portions of Connecticut. So it's roughly about 4 hours out from now. So here's what we've gotten so far in graphic form. You see our highest totals from the Providence, Cranston areas. Cranston definitely our big jackpot in terms of rainfall, stretching right on back, even into northern portions of Kent County, northern portions of Coventry, getting into that jackpot zone there as well. And that's just where we are right now. So Cranston and North Providence coming in with over 7 inches of rainfall so far. Smithfield not too far off with just shy of 6, and same for Scituate. And there's Coventry at 3.13, Cumberland at 2.78. So in terms of our alerts, we do have the aerial flood watch that is in effect. It's the area shaded in green. It means that we could see flooding in that area in the duration of the watch, which is until tomorrow evening. And our futurecast, just jumping ahead here to 2 a.m., this is when round 2 of the really heavy stuff is expected to move through. Now you'll notice it's with us through the entire morning, so that whole morning commute is going to be very tough. Our futurecast also showing once we get to tomorrow evening, we still have showers around, but the heavy stuff is gone. And then as we go overnight into Wednesday, we should start to see everything begin to dissipate. So we do have the potential of seeing a lot more rain, averaging an additional 1 to 2 inches of rainfall out there. Ooh, we jumped right into the tropics there. This is Earl. Earl, by the way, has the potential of becoming a Category 3 major hurricane. It will be passing us by well to the east. As of now, it's not expected to directly impact any landmass, but likely will be bringing up waves for us as we look a couple of days into the future, so about midweek. Your forecast for tonight, showers, heavy at times. We will once again get into that localized flooding, and as we go to tomorrow, we're going to start to take stock of streets and river flooding because we're still going to be contending with all of that runoff that's going to be happening during the overnight hours tonight. The Woonasquatucket River is also showing signs of minor flood already, and there's no doubt that that will exacerbate as we go to tomorrow. So our extended forecast shows once we clear, we stay there really for the remainder of the 7-day stretch. Real pleasant weather should be in place from Thursday right on to the start.